My name's Cindy Freed. I'm a civil engineer in residential construction.
Let the saw do the work, don't force it.
In the recession, there was very little work, and I simplified my lifestyle to stay affordable. And the more I simplified things down, the happier I became.
Very nice.
So I wanted to learn things to enhance my job. That's what I'm coming back to school for.
Let's check out our award-winning wedge.
Came first because of the tiny house, wanting to get involved because that's such an exciting thing right now.
We won many awards against some major universities.
I was interested in the tiny house because I'm interested in more sustainable structures, and so I can specialize now. I'm going to be able to design better, more efficiently, so the contractors are not using more lumber than they need to. I'm learning principles of advanced framing techniques here that are going to make the buildings more efficient and really find a niche that I'm passionate about, rather than just these big mega homes, which is what most of my involvement has been. 20 feet by you only have 7.5 feet wide inside. That wasn't a lot of room to work with. I'm in that second half of my career. I want to do things that really matter to me personally. So I'm looking to build smaller, more efficient, more sustainable housing.